Prakash sir, this question for Mail sir. So he discussed about the capital funding for the MSME in the last part of his presentation. So we would like to just ask, you can say it's a question or a query. The government, now with merging of banks, which has happened recently, whether it is really helpful for the MSME people for getting easy access to the funds, or it is not so easy, because challenge for a small MSME person or maybe a small industrialist to approach for a funding. If it is a small branch or bank, it is much easier. If it is a very large bank, then it is totally a different. So I would like to learn from sir, Mail sir, to give a perspective on that. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Regarding the merger of banks is concerned, so what we presume as a common man, so they are making it a merger. But why they are doing it? In order to maintain capital adequacy ratio as a whole. The government on the other side, they are making it a consolidation process. And the consolidation process is taking place based on, that is called prompt corrective action, PCA. So when the bank is not fulfilling PCA for about 3 years, so naturally the bank will be merged with the other banks. So that is the only reason why the merger is taking place. Once the merger is there on one side, the other side is MSME sector. What you said is, in the MSME sector, the bank is ready to fund in 3 aspects. One is working capital loan. Already it is in the process, and they have extended 25% extra working capital as of 1/2/2020. Further, the bank is ready to pump two way of funds. One is called subordinate debt. There is a link. Suppose MSME sector, they are getting subordinate debt. That debt, it can be used only for the long-term purpose, long-term asset acquisition, rather not using for working capital. So that's called subordinate debt. And a bank, those bank who is issuing the subordinate debt to MSME, they can take that subordinate debt as tier 2 capital of bank in order to calculate capital adequacy ratio. This is the second point. That's called a subordinate debt. And third one is fund of funds, FOF. Fund of funds, the government is pumping funds to the MSME, not in the name of debt, as in the name of share capital of that particular bank. So in this angle, they are doing it. So naturally, the merger, it leads to give more liberal credit to the MSME sector. So we can do research on in this angle, so that we can get the better results. Not only. Yes, sir. Pardon? Krishnan sir, are you okay, sir?
Sir, perfect, sir. Yeah, I'm listening. Perfect, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That is the reason why the subordinate debt on one side, fund of funds. Very recently, only or 6 months earlier, only the government has issued guidelines for issuing fund of funds as well as subordinate debt. So once you go through that particular documents, whether how many MSME sector they availed these type of loans, whether there is a positive impact on either side. One side is maintaining the CAR ratio, capital adequacy ratio, and the other side is their revival package. It's the first time in the history of this sector, the government is ready to bump fund of funds as share capital of the private sector. But so far, no MSME they have taken. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks for the insight. Thank you for the insight.
Thank you.